Hi everybody. I was mowing grass and what is this foreign matter that we speak of the ground? I believe it's a liquid form that I have not seen in some time. So not anything measurable right now. It just kind of shooed me in from finishing up mowing, but there's always another day. So we're putting the mower up for now, and just happy to have a little moisture. We did have an 1.25 inches in the last since Thursday morning, sorry. And although the field is still short because now it's headed out, so we need to cut it and get the grass off of it. It has headed out, and so our next duty after rain stops, we have a chance of this kind of stuff for the next couple days. So we'll get to it and get to mowing next week, maybe get some hay up. I always try a little section first, you know, make sure everything's working properly, and I don't like having a whole bunch on the ground and then you're scrambling around to get parts and all that good stuff. But yeah, this is interesting. Actually got puddles, which garden was muddy before, so this just kind of adds to it, in my opinion. It may not be that much. I don't think it was much at all. In fact, I will guarantee you it wasn't very much, but still, it is enough to wet the grass and enough to stop me from mowing because it doesn't pick up. So we'll have to finish the rest of that Sunday. So no, it wasn't too much. About that much. But that's all right. I will take any I can get. Any little bit of moisture on the plant. Oh, looks like I got an electric fence snapping. So, anywho, so we have been busy. You will notice that said pickup is back together. This is a temporary deal. I mean, it's on for good, but it is temporary. I've got I got panels to replace the floor, so probably in the fall I'll pull that off. All the bolts, all the cross members have been taken out. I got the new cross members on there. I screwed them in with bolts and nuts. So when we get done with hay, we will connect these together and get a new floor in it. I may end up just buying a whole floor. I haven't decided that. I've already bought these, but so right now, weekend's going to be getting everything greased up, ready to go. I almost bought another bale wagon this weekend. They had one for $1,500 just about 10 miles away from me, and it was very tempting. However, I would have had to do stuff to it. It was exactly the same thing that I had. It's a 1012, and it does not have the hydraulic pickup. It had belts. It was all original, what I would call original. All the covers were on, the chains, everything. It looked in pretty good shape. They said it was field ready. He was like, "Why did you get it?" I don't have room for another one, and I'm very happy with the one I got. So anyway, so yeah, there's that. We got rain. So I did get the front portion done. So that leaves me the back, but in 2 days, before Sunday gets here, get this dried out, I will probably mow the whole thing over again anyway. So a couple things I was going to show you that I've been doing is, I don't know if I ever commented about the dirt pile in the back here. Sure smells nice. I haven't had that smell in a long time. Hey look, water coming out of the gutters. Who knew they still worked? So you don't remember, but there was a pile of dirt here. I had a pile of dirt hauled in, a couple years ago to help with the foundation on the house. You know, when they dig a house out, the foundation, they can never get it packed as hard as it was originally. So part of that dirt pile was to put around my foundation to keep a slope, so when water hit, it would slope down. This isn't brown, this isn't black dirt, this is kind of a clay brown dirt mix. Anyway, I had a big pile here, and over the years it had settled this way, and when I started mowing this, the grass comes up. Well, it started, you can still kind of see a hill, kind of like right in there. But we took all that dirt and drug it out to the corral. We changed the fence line on the corral, so I'm gonna make the horses go out on the other side. We're gonna leave this as it is. A buddy of mine has an old chicken coop that we're thinking of moving in here. It's pretty tall, but it'd give me a little space just to put stuff in there. I wouldn't have to pay taxes on it because it's on bridge. Haven't heard that in a while either. It's on bridge plank, but I don't think I want to stand out here. So anyway, we got that done, cleared up, and we got all the hay is gone. Guy came, picked up the last remaining, and so we're empty for the new year, so that's good. Interesting enough though, I picked up the dry hay. That was on Tuesday-ish, I think, maybe. I'm trying to remember when he was in here. I think it was Tuesday, yeah. And I came into the shed and I see a little dampness on top of this, and I'm like, well, you know, maybe I got a leak up there. This building I built, I don't think I have leaks. I've never had leaks in here before. But interesting enough is I got down in here, this crap is hot. So this is dry hay, and I don't know why it would be hot. I mean, they say combustion. I guess if got a little water in it, it probably could generate a little heat. But anyway, we're going to get rid of this right now. We're taking it down to the dump pile. So there we go. So we're going to go dump some stuff. Would you travel along with me, maybe? Take a lot of my compost. I take a lot of my compost down to the east side. When we built, well, you'll see. When we built our house, there was a lot of what do you want to call them? Washouts. So garden waste, perennial waste, annual waste, some manure goes into those to help keep them from washing more, building them up. Stuff, try not to put stuff in there that doesn't, know, what do they call that, reduced down or bulk down. Here's where we used to haul it. That was pretty deep at one time. I still got to fill it in. It takes years to do that. But here's the new place. We'll see what this is doing. I'm gonna have to shift down on you. Hold on. Goes back there a little ways and goes back that way quite a little ways. This over there is where I was cutting wood a year ago, if you remember. But yeah, fill it up and it turns to compost and it holds the dirt. And if it does more dirt, it kind of just fills in. The little twigs I had on top, so we'll find those on the way back. So yeah, I would say that used to be probably about 4 or 5 feet deep, and right now it's probably another foot and a half across. So as you put stuff in there, it compacts down, turns to dirt. About 6 or 8 inches, so hey, you know what, it'll be what it'll be. You want it off so it doesn't look like garbage next year. Horses don't eat the heavy haul stuff, they only want the stuff down below. So I kind of figured, well, what did it hurt? But I think I was overdoing it. Now, here's the branches. Like I had a little manure in that cart, which is probably why the hay got hot. I'm guessing a little water and a little, look at that, raining right over there. I think that's what went over us earlier. I don't think that's coming this way. So yeah, we'll cut this right in here. lagoon a couple times this week, and we'll see how much that generates, compare it to last year, and that's all we can do. Hey, for now, if you like these videos, you know what to do. Thanks for watching. Cheerio. And we'll see you on the next ones. Bye.